Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Wellcare mobile app, setup guide step by step clearly. Open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, locate the Apple App Store. If you are using an Android device, find the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Wellcare. Press the search button to initiate the search. Look for the Wellcare app in the search results. Ensure it is the official app by checking the developer. Once you find it, tap on the app icon. On the app page, locate the Install or Get button. Tap on the button to begin the download process. Wait a moment for the app to download and install. Once installed, you will see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the Wellcare mobile app. You may also find the app icon on your home screen. If you prefer, you can tap the icon there to open the app. Once the app is open, you will see the welcome screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to create an account if needed. Enter the required information, such as your email and password. If you already have an account, select the login option. Input your credentials to access your account. After logging in, explore the app's features and settings. Familiarize yourself with the navigation to enhance your experience. You are now ready to use the Wellcare mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.